Cleaning the back door? Don't miss this hidden step. If your Ninja oven smells burnt or cooks unevenly, it might be time to clean the back door panel, not just the inside glass. Here's how to do it safely and why it matters. Step 1. Flip the oven up and let it cool. Always start with a cool unplugged oven. Then flip it into the upright storage position so you can reach the back panel easily. Step 2. Press the back door release tab. At the center of the back wall, there's a small metal tab. Press it in firmly and the back panel will pop open. This gives you access to hidden grease traps and baked-on residue most people miss. Step 3. Wipe with a non-scratch cloth. Use warm, soapy water and a soft cloth. Never steel wool or abrasive sponges. Wipe along the inner panel, especially the lower ledge where grease builds up over time. Step 4. Clean the top vent area too. While the oven is flipped up, check the upper edge and vent lip. Wipe away any crumbs or oil buildup that could affect airflow or cause smells during cooking. Step 5. Let everything dry before closing. Leave the door panel open for a few minutes to dry fully before snapping it shut again. If this helped you get rid of odors and buildup, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your current cloth leaves streaks or scratches, I've linked the non-scratch glass-safe one I use below. Makes deep cleaning faster and safer. Thanks for watching, and don't just flip the oven, clean behind it.